Hello students, through this video I am sharing with you the list of items that will be available as part of the Barbie doll bride and groom making DIY kit, that is do it yourself kit. So a pair of beautiful Barbie dolls, a boy doll and a girl doll. This is there, and two stands. So this is how you will be learning how to fix this in the class. And sari material, lace and blouse material, dhoti and stitched shirt. You will also be learning how you will make the shirt in the class. Then hair for girl doll, hair for boy doll, stone sheet, ball chain, etc. Jewelry and kundan items, earrings, and then all fix glue. So these are the items which are available as part of the do it yourself kit, and to my students I am going to give this at a very special price. WhatsApp me if you would like to buy this kit, and you can also practice this. Once with the kit, if you practice, next time onwards you need not buy as a kit. You can buy only dolls, so that you can dolls or any materials from our craft store, and you can practice. So if you are a beginner, or if you are trying Barbie dolls for the first time, I would recommend you buy this DIY kit, so that you will learn things fast. See you then. To buy this kit, please send a WhatsApp message at 75400 67838.